Let me share my screen.
Okay. So you said the drop down. We'll start with drop down today.
Exactly.
Okay.
Can you see my screen here?
Yes, I can. Is this recorded?
Yeah, it's recorded. Yeah,
Okay. Thank you.
yeah, it's recorded. See, you can see it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. Okay, so today we'll see how to automate the static drop down. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So what do you mean by static? If I ask you, what do you think about static and dynamic drop down? What do you understand from this?
Yeah, so I think in Selenium perspective, we have the select class.
Yeah, exactly.
Uh, for yeah, and for dynamic, it could be the list or something, and you be there may be changes, so you will have to make sure it will be in a different position or
Exactly.
so yeah.
Yeah, so the same thing is in Cypress. Like whatever be the
Okay.
static drop down, so we have the select class, and you have to choose that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we'll start here. Reference types equal to Cypress. Okay. Describe.
Okay.
Open. Suppose I'll use one website here, Air India website.
Okay.
Yeah. So open Air India website and
Okay.
verify the static
Okay.
drop down.
Okay.
I'll use the callback function here.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll use it here.
Okay.
Yeah. Verify static drop down button. Okay. Now first I'll visit
Mm-hmm.
this one. Visit
Okay.
https airindia.in. So I just go to my test runner here. Sometimes it takes time to open that test runner.
Mm.
Yeah.
So while it's opening, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so now I see you have a lot of script specs um, on your in your workspace. So if you were to do a regression, say for five, how would you do a git for that in Jenkins? So you don't want to do all the tests, but you want to do like maybe five or six of it in Jenkins. How would you do it?
In Jenkins, I haven't used that one right now.
Okay, so I kind of wanted to know how to use Jenkins
Yeah,
as
yeah,
well.
yeah. I'll let you know
Yeah.
that case.
Yeah, because I wanted to know if you are doing a running the build. So for instance, in your build, you only have like, I'm just giving you a random number, it'll be more in real time. Like
Yeah,
you
yeah.
only have eight cases in this build to run for regression. So how would you add just those 8 cases
Mm-hmm.
in your,
Yes.
and if for Jenkins if you are using Git, how would you add those 8 cases only?
Mm-hmm.
Not just by clicking, because if there are 50 cases, right?
Yeah, yeah,
You can't just go and click. So
exactly.
yeah, I kind of want to know how to go about that.
Yeah, yeah. I'll let you know that one also when we start that Jenkins.
Yeah, kind of. My lead kind of did that, and I was part of it. So I only did smaller ones. So my current project, I have to do the Jenkins part as well. So I kind of need to know.
Okay, so
Maybe you can show in the next class or something.
sure. What we do actually tomorrow onwards, we'll do on Gits only, or Jenkins only. Okay.
Oh, okay. So I kind of want to know that part,
Yeah,
like for a
yeah, yeah.
build. Yeah.
So we'll drop this static dynamic at that time. So we'll only do the Jenkins, at least you get the concept clear of Jenkins.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Mm.
I'll use Electron. Okay,
Okay.
you can choose anyone. Okay, so this is the website Air India.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll just go here and automate this one. Like this one is my static class. You can see the options here.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, this adult, children, infant, this
Yeah.
consistory. Yeah, okay. So
Okay.
I think you have done this in your project or not.
Not in Cyprus.
Okay, so what you will do, I'll just automate three and you will do
Okay.
this two in front of me.
Okay. Let
Is it
me. I
possible?
don't have mine open.
Okay, you don't
Let
have
me.
Cypress right now.
I have. I have. I just have to create a project. I was just watching you.
Okay, so what I'm saying, if you do practice now, you will get more understanding.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if I'll I try this one. So once I finish, you just have the setup. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Is it possible, Rajshri?
Yes. 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 Let me. Uh.
Yeah. Okay, then I'll just open this one to another
Okay.
browser. Right now you're sharing. No, no. Yeah,
Am
yeah.
I sharing?
No, no, no,
Oh,
no,
sorry.
no, no. Okay, so this is the website. Okay, just go to this. Go to inspect it.
Let me see. I have several things open here, so I need to make sure I close those.
Yeah.
I was working on.
Oh, no, no worry. You just check it out. You try it after this lecture. If you any doubts, you can ask to me. Okay, no problem.
Yeah, yeah. Let me.
Yeah. So see here, actually, we're getting
Mhm.
this here ID. Okay. So like as in Selenium, we choose ID or class now. Same as we can choose here
Yes.
ID. Like if ID, you can just check it out. Like this one is unique or not. I'll just take this ID here and
Okay.
press Control F. You will get this one text box here.
Yes,
So
yes,
yeah,
yes.
when you are just dealing with ID, just put hash before this ID. Check it out here. So see, you will get your two IDs here, two out of two. Got it?
Yes.
So I don't want this ID. I want one of one. Here I'm getting two of two. So no use of
Right.
this. So what I'll use, I'll use the another method like tag name attribute equal to value. Okay. So this is my
Okay.
class select class. So I'll take the
Mm-hmm.
attribute as select. Okay, now my attribute is id and value is like this one. Oh, sorry. Where is that id? A second. I just go
I
to
don't see it. Yeah.
yeah dd. Yeah, this one.
ID. Yeah.
Yeah, I just take this one. I just put here. Check it out. This one. Here one of one. I can take this one. Take this one. Now go to your browse. Now take cy.get. Whenever you're taking any locator, just put cy.get.
That get. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, take your locator. Now this one is your dealing with select class. Okay. Now in the select
Okay.
class, you just select which value do you want. So in this case, see, I am if I open this one, I am getting these values one, two, till okay. So
Mm-hmm.
you can choose any or one of them. So if I choose third year, so just click select, select, and in double quote add on 3 year. Okay, and also you can add
Okay.
the assertion to verify that third is selected or not. Should
Okay.
yeah should
Should.
in the single code have that value.
Should. Should. Okay. Have dot value.
Yeah,
Okay.
in you can just write on in a double quote add on 3.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Now check it out. What you will get here. Sorry. See what happened here. Yeah, the green color shows that it successfully accepted the value third year. Can you see?
Let me see.
Just now. No.
Yeah, I see the.
Can you see?
Yeah.
See? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So can you see this assertion?
Yes, I see.
Yeah. Okay.
I was trying to set up mine. That's why.
Oh, no worry, no worry. Right. So what you do, just see what I'm doing, carefully. So you can do afterwards
Okay.
also. No worry. You
Okay,
do
okay.
right now
Next
only.
time I'll have it set up and ready so that I can follow along.
Yeah, because
Sometimes it's harder to do it myself while I'm watching you.
exactly. You know why I'm
But
telling why I'm telling this one because you get more practice now, so you get more understanding clearly.
true, sure. Yes,
Yeah.
true.
Okay. So like if you know this one, the first part, like how to select, so you can do the second one also. No? Just go to your website.
Mm-hmm.
Now select one this one children. Okay. Just go to your click on this one. You will get this ID. Choose this ID. Even though you can also choose
Okay.
class, but I'll prefer to go for ID. I think it's like little bit unique.
Unique. Yeah, yeah.
I just go here and check it out whether what happened here. Put hash before the ID.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, two of two I'm getting here. So no use of this. So what
Oh.
I'll do, I'll use this one.
Ah.
Yeah. So what I'll even though even though like I can use using index like for example if she's showing two now.
Mm-hmm.
So this one is mine is I think children. Let me check using the index. Okay. So what I'll do,
Mm.
I'll just take this one. Same. I go here and just put a cy.get. I'll just put this ID and I'll use the index. Whenever you are dealing with index now, just put EQ and put the value of index. So index always start with 0. So take the value
Okay.
0, yeah, 0. And now just select the value of suppose I'm selecting here 5. Okay. Dot should Fine. Let me check it's working or not.
Okay.
Yeah. See, it takes the
Yeah,
values.
it's working.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
working. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So do you go back to the code one more time?
Yeah, sure, Rajlakshmi, sure.
Yeah, so you did EQ. So
Yeah,
if it is more than one value in the drop down or index, you
yeah,
meant, right?
yeah,
So let me make note of it. So if it's multiple values in the index,
yeah,
uh, then then use EQ.
yeah. It's another method which I use always.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, makes sense. I've seen that, but I just wanted to make sure the reasoning behind it.
Hmm.
Okay, and then you have done double quotes everywhere, and I've only used single quotes or
Doesn't matter.
backticks.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter,
Doesn't matter.
right?
Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
See, here I have
Okay.
taken the double quote, and here I have taken the single quote.
Trigger code,
Yeah.
yeah. And for all the elements, I've done the backticks, and that worked because all template retrievals I used
Hmm.
to do backticks, so I stuck with that. But it looks like it doesn't matter.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Okay, makes sense. Go ahead.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay. Now we automate this adult children. Now we'll automate this infant. So I just
Okay.
go here, and is now this time I'll take the another some different kind of ID. I'll take, like for infant class from control. Okay, I'll check this one. Even though I have this ID delete, so I'll take the class and check it out like
Hmm.
class is working out for me or not.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, just go here. See, like I said, like when we are dealing with ID, then we use hash, before the ID. So in class we use dot.
Dot. Mm.
Yeah, and just see here. So 18 I'm getting here. You know,
Ah,
and
okay.
the more important part, Raju says this, I'm using index now here. So when you are dealing with index now, UQ, then you should know that at what index your elements are there.
Yeah, yeah.
So in my case, I'm having only two elements, so I chose 0.
Right,
If,
right,
if,
right.
if this one is not chosen now, then I'll take 1. But now in this case, like 1 second. Now in this case, you will see here 18 values are there.
Yes, yes,
Correct?
yes.
So
I can't see your screen. Check you.
okay, oh, 1 second, 1 second. Like it's
Yeah.
yeah, I've just click on that. Yeah, can you see?
Uh, uh, yes.
Yeah,
It says you're presenting. Yeah.
yeah. Now in this case, you can see here 18 elements are there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it's
Yes.
it's little bit tough to check it out, using index on which index you are dealing with.
Right.
Yeah. So in that case, like as if now you are not using any each or iterator, correct? So in that case, you avoid this EQ if your elements are more than 8 or 10 something.
Oh, okay.
Got my point?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So now in this case, if I use this form control, I'm getting here 18 elements. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll
Yeah.
just choose the tag name and see what happened now. Just go to this, click this infant,
Okay.
this form name. Okay. Second. Class form. Okay, so okay, got it. Select. Yeah. So I'll just check it out here. Remove this dot. Select
Okay.
class is equal to. Okay, close. See, I'm getting 5.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Again, no use of this. So what I'll do, I'll just check it out as parents element. Parents. So this class,
Okay.
yeah, this div,
Div.
yeah, is
Uh-huh.
parent to this group. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll
Mm.
just take this one, form group, this class. I'll just put this one in before this class dot,
Okay.
and I paste this
Okay.
one, and I just select, just give the space here. Now again, I'm getting same, no use of me. Okay.
Oh,
So what I'll do, I'll just go up again and check it out what happened here. If I close this one, okay. This one if I close, then what happened? Let me check. Doesn't matter. I'm dealing with this one.
sibling. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm dealing with infant now.
Yes, you're dealing with infant.
Yeah. So infant is there. Yeah. This one is infant. Okay, so no use of this. So in this case, just close all the Yeah. This is not your parent. Even check it out. I'm just checking out which is my parent div. Yeah. I'm close.
Okay.
Yeah. This is my parent form group.
Mm.
Yeah. But this form group also not working because it getting five form group I'm having here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So in that case, suppose instead of this dot, if I use div and class is equal to single quote, I'm writing a form group. One of one same, I'm getting no use of this. Okay. So what you will do
Okay.
in that case if I ask to you,
Can we do multiple parameters, multiple, more than one attribute, and see if that can be unique?
like
Will that work?
see
Go to,
you
yeah.
have this form, you have this
Mm-hmm.
title, you have this ID, you have this name.
Right.
So can you suggest me what should I how should I go?
So in the XPath, can we do ID and name,
You,
like,
we haven't
and
we haven't start XPath as of now.
oh, okay. Okay. So the other workaround is go to the runner and go to selector playground and see if we can find one of one match.
You mean to say this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it is a if suppose you don't have test runner to run, you have only a browser in your company asking you to run only
Ah,
browser. Don't open the test runner, and you don't have any plugins also. Then how you can manage?
okay. So and you don't, I can't use XPath also.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm, okay. Then even in CSS selector, we can use multiple attributes, right?
Hmm. Okay, that's good. How? Tell me.
So we can say take the name and ID and see,
Yeah, correct.
or it's not
It
not
will
a
work.
good
It
approach.
will work. But my question is like I'm not using this ID here as of now. Even name. I'm just dealing with class here.
Oh, okay.
And in class I'm getting these 5 elements out of 18 now. Before it was 18, now
Okay.
5. Because I use this parent one, okay?
Okay. So can we still use EQ for this since it's 5, and if we know the index of this one,
But how we can check the index? How you know the index of this one?
you can click there, no? The up and down thing, whichever one highlights this, that's the index of this. The here,
Here.
in the 2 out of 5. 2 out of 5 here in the bottom control find where you put your CSS selector in the elements box
Okay,
in the bottom left where you put the div class form
this one
group.
now. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
This one too. You're asking, correct?
Yeah, so here if you go up and
Yeah,
down, whichever one it
exactly,
highlights
exactly.
is the index, right?
Yeah, exactly, exactly. This one too. So
Okay.
I can use here. See, array always start index always start with zero, na.
Right,
So
right.
I use like EQ. Here one. Got it?
Yes.
Let me check.
That's yeah, that's adult. Yeah.
Cby.get now dot EQ. I'll take 1 year. Now tell me the value. Any value? 4
Select yeah, 4, yeah.
should have
Have value.
dot value
Mm.
comma 4. Okay, now go to this. Actually, tomorrow also the same timing we have class 7:15.
No, tomorrow is a working day.
Okay,
So your time. So weekdays we can do only 2 days a week. So it gives you and me a break. Weekends we can do Saturday and Sunday. This time is fine.
okay.
Um, Weekdays I can send you like the central time, like Tuesday. So it will be Wednesday morning for you. Wednesday, Tuesday and Thursday. So it will be Wednesday and Friday for you. I think you're ahead of me.
Mm-hmm.
So we can we can set a time. It doesn't have to be long. It can be like an hour.
Okay,
Just to do one concept or check in clarification or just a quick review of what I did, and one concept will be fine. But on
okay.
weekends we can do like 2 hours solid, and I can watch you
Yeah,
and practice.
sure, sure, sure. So this one, like adult, and I'm not getting the result as of now.
Ah,
Can you see?
and we want the infant, right? So what did it show? It showed adult.
It's showing nothing. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah. In infant.
yeah, it's showing nothing.
So
If I take two,
ah it will show. I guess we were 2 out of 5, right?
yeah,
That should work. Oh, it's doing the children. Oh,
yeah,
it worked.
it worked.
Yeah.
Yeah. So got
Oh,
it.
perfect.
Like
Yes.
if you have more than elements, you just choose it from this one.
Okay, okay. And you also did the div class. So you did two different things. You
Yeah,
went back to the parent
because
and
why I've taken, because if I don't take this one now, so it is
mm.
showing 18. Like if I remove this one now,
Oh, so you to cut down the
yeah,
number
yeah,
you
yeah, yeah.
did. And this was CSS, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
So you did a little space between the two.
Yeah, whenever you
correct?
are dealing with parents and child, now you give some space.
Okay, okay. But expat, you do that slash.
Yeah, yeah. Slash. You can use the slash.
Okay, okay, okay. Let me make note. I
Yeah, yeah.
just
See, see, you will get a 18 now. Can you see?
yes.
Yeah. So your infant is at 5 number here now. See, your index has been changed now.
Mm. Mm.
Before it was 2, now it's 5.
Right, right, right.
Yeah, because you only take this class now. And,
Ah,
and in that case,
okay.
you have taken the parent and child concept.
Right, right, right. Okay.
Yeah. You got it?
Yes.
Yeah. So the same thing you can use this concessionary type and economy. If you so you don't have
Okay.
set up correct right now. Otherwise, you can do that one.
Yeah, I can do that as my practice.
Okay.
Confectionery and economy. Okay,
Yeah.
let me. Yeah, I wrote it down.
So can you share your screen if you are doing right now, or if
No,
you need?
I'm making notes.
Okay. Okay.
I'm
You
typing notes based on
okay.
what you were saying.
Okay.
So I have not started mine yet. So tomorrow I'll have it ready and because
Sure.
I want to type notes when you are saying things.
Correct. Correct. Sure.
Because if I'll do it and I'll forget what
Exactly.
I did.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
notes I can refer back to why
Exactly.
you said something.
Exactly.
Uh, Yeah.
Okay. Then shall we wrap up this call or?
Uh, no, can we do like I thought we are doing like 2 hours on.
Actually, like on like after 8 p.m. I'm free. I told you, 8 to 10 I'm free daily. 8 p.m. IST. As my office time is get over at that time.
Yeah, but I can't at that time.
Yeah, you are not available, correct? So like,
I'm
like Rajni,
I'm working.
I'll just stop
Huh?
sharing the recording here. I just want to